Hey guys, Jason here, and this is a drone. It's from GoolRC, and first off, big apologies to the company because they sent me this thing a while ago and I've been taking forever to actually make this video, and it's been stupidly cold outside and all that. So anyway, we're finally here making this video, and I'm actually going to be giving this drone away too, so definitely stick around till the end of the video for that. So, it's a drone. This is a white quadcopter that is actually foldable. When the prop guards are off this thing, you can fold the arms of this drone and make it much more compact, which is great for storage and travel. And when you unfold the arms, it actually becomes pretty big, a bit smaller than the DJI Spark, I believe. But I'm not gonna hold you, you're probably more interested in how well this thing flies than its foldability. So, talking about that for a sec, this is actually the most easy to maneuver drone I've ever owned. This is definitely on the affordable side of the drone spectrum, so don't expect anything fancy like autopilot that'll follow you or tricks, but this drone is really stable in flight and the controls are nice and responsive, so you feel like you're in control at all times. One super nice touch is that when you pull the throttle all the way down, the drone doesn't shut off the props and drop the thing. It automatically lands the drone free without killing itself. The battery on this thing lasts about 10 to 15 minutes from my experience. Not sure what the official runtime is supposed to be, but we all know how those work out anyway. So before I wrap things up and talk about the giveaway, here is a short video sequence that I filmed with the camera on this drone. Alright, the giveaway. This is going to be kind of a different giveaway because I'm actually planning a huge giveaway of like 20 products for New Year's, and maybe you weren't supposed to hear that, but anyway, for this guy the rules are super simple. All you have to do is post something on your Instagram story or tweet, a simple shout out to my social media, you know, something like follow my boy at jasonr.jpg on Instagram. He follows back and doesn't post stupid stuff every second, you know, something simple, and make sure it includes my handle so I can see it. And that's it, you're entered. Simple, shout me out, include my handle, it is much appreciated, and you are entered in the giveaway of this drone. Also, it is not required, but smash that subscribe button if you want, leave me a comment, because you are not going to want to miss the New Year's giveaway. I will catch you guys later.